Beneath our familiar surface lies an extraordinary realm, teeming with life and intelligence beyond our imagination. This is the secret life of fungi networks, where mycelium weaves intricate tapestries connecting trees, plants, and ecosystems in a silent yet powerful dance. Here, fungi communicate, nurture, and sustain a vibrant web of life, fundamentally important to our existence. Imagine stepping into a dense forest. Dappled sunlight filters through leaves, casting a warm glow on the ground. Beneath fallen leaves and rich soil lies an underground network of mycelium, often unnoticed. Mycelium, the vegetative part of fungi, serves as a sprawling root structure, linking plants with nutrients and information across vast distances. A single patch of soil may contain miles of mycelium, forming what is known as the mycorrhizal network. This underground web isn't merely for nutrient exchange, it's a sophisticated communication system, an intricate dialogue among trees, plants, and organisms. Each connection represents a lifeline, a relationship built on cooperation. This network goes beyond survival, it thrives on collaboration. Fungi transfer essential nutrients and water to nearby plants, helping even the most vulnerable species survive droughts. In return, plants offer fungi carbohydrates, contributing to their growth. This mutualistic relationship highlights a fundamental truth of nature: success relies on the bonds we forge with one another. As we understand fungi's role in ecosystem health, we see they are integral to the soil food web, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. This sustains organisms from earthworms to microbes, all dependent on fungi. By nurturing the soil, fungi are the unsung guardians of ecosystems, maintaining balance. Researchers have uncovered that these networks may also act as memory systems for ecosystems. When trees encounter stress, they signal neighbors through mycelium, warning them of potential threats. This sophisticated communication showcases an intelligence inherent in these organisms, challenging our understanding of awareness. Climate change threatens ecosystems worldwide, yet fungi offer hope. Their capacity to sequester carbon in soil presents an ally in this fight. By enhancing soil health, fungi can help plants adapt amidst shifting climates, fostering a healthier planet. As we uncover the mysteries of fungal networks, we realize these organisms are not just decomposers, they are architects of life, urging us to acknowledge the unseen influences that sustain our environment. Next time you walk through a forest, reflect on what lies beneath your feet. Understanding fungi deepens our appreciation for nature and instills a sense of responsibility to protect these critical networks. Delving further into the intricate web of life, we uncover remarkable behaviors and interactions of fungi that illuminate their roles in ecosystems. A vast network of mycelium connects trees, plants, and organisms, achieving collaboration that challenges our understanding of intelligence in nature. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, enhancing growth and resilience. The first documented studies of mycorrhizal relationships date back to the early 1800s, but it was not until the 1990s that their significance came to light. In these hidden realms, fungi provide water and minerals in exchange for nutrients. Established trees can share resources with surrounding saplings through mycelial networks, ensuring future generations' survival. Imagine the unseen negotiations happening below, where signals pass through the mycelium, akin to whispers exchanged in the dark. Some researchers have likened this underground communication to an ancient, primal form of social interaction, where survival is not a solitary endeavor but a shared journey of endurance. The more we unveil, the more we understand that these mycelial networks foster communal support over the selfishness of individual gain. The sight of towering ancient trees, standing proudly in the sunlight, is merely the visible tip of an intricate collaboration thriving beneath one's feet. Fungi also connect multiple plant species, serving as nature's social network. Just as humans rely on each other for survival, trees fend off threats collectively by signaling their fungal allies to activate defenses. When a tree is attacked by pests, it can release chemical signals into the soil, prompting nearby fungi to mobilize defenses among neighboring trees. This communication network, known as the Wood Wide Web, illustrates a communal and altruistic design that holds the forest together, a silent testament to the power of unity. Fungi play a critical role in nutrient cycling, acting as nature's recyclers. They break down complex organic matter, returning vital elements to the soil. Without this service, the earth would be overwhelmed with organic debris, unable to support plant life. Some fungi collaborate with bacteria to enhance nutrient absorption, revealing the interconnectedness of life. The relationship between fungi and bacteria showcases a stunning example of cooperation, with fungi acting as facilitators in the recycling of nutrients, ensuring that life continues to flourish in a cyclical pattern. The diversity of fungal species is awe-inspiring, each adapted to specific environments. In temperate forests, one can find the bioluminescent fungi glowing softly in shades of green, their luminescence beckoning insects closer for spore dispersal. Picture a damp woodland at night, where pools of light flicker beneath the underbrush, illuminating the forest floor as if adorned with nature's own fairy lights. This beauty and practicality capture the imagination, offering glimpses into nature's creativity and resilience. The mycelium of a single fungus can stretch for miles, creating a network powerful enough to influence the growth and health of an entire forest. For instance, the mycorrhizal networks established by the common woodland fungus, mycorrhizae, have been shown to enhance tree growth significantly, up to 38% in some studies, demonstrating the profound impact fungi have on forest ecosystems. Fungi exhibit a complex form of knowledge rooted in interdependence, prompting us to reconsider assumptions about life on Earth. As we journey deeper into fungi, we uncover their ecological significance and potential in medicine and sustainability. The contributions of fungi have revolutionized medicine. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928 profoundly changed modern healthcare. Today, researchers explore mycelium for sustainable packaging, construction materials, and biodegradable alternatives to plastics. Each breakthrough reveals the interconnectedness of all life, illuminating paths to protect our wondrous planet. Deep within the earth, fungi are engaged in their complex dance of life. The Wood Wide Web facilitates communication and resource sharing among plants, creating cooperative communities. Trees share nutrients and warn each other of impending threats through intricate underground roots, revealing a world where collaboration reigns supreme. This phenomenon was first coined by the ecologist Suzanne Simard in the 1990s, who found that trees, particularly in old-growth forests, are interconnected, sharing resources through vast mycorrhizal networks. The phenomenon of mycorrhizal relationships is foundational to terrestrial ecosystems. Over 90% of plant species engage in such interactions, exchanging sugars for essential minerals. In the silence of a forest, one might hear the whispers of mycelium as they recycle the very elements of life, transforming decay into renewal, ensuring the cycle of life continues. The intricate relationships fostered by these fungal partners are essential for the longevity and vitality of forests. The enchanting presence of bioluminescent fungi illuminates damp woodlands, serving both biological purposes and stirring wonder. Their glow draws insects, showcasing the intricate design of nature. This phenomenon, termed bioluminescence, not only attracts pollinators but also aids in spore dispersal, ensuring the continuation of fungal life. The potential of fungi extends to medicine and biotechnology. Beyond antibiotics, mushrooms are now being researched for their potential to combat cancer, improve gut health, and even rejuvenate immune functions. Each discovery shines a light on the untapped potential locked within these organisms, inviting us to explore the myriad ways fungi can contribute to human well-being. Some fungi absorb heavy metals from contaminated soil, detoxifying their surroundings. They stand as allies in our battle against pollution, demonstrating resilience and adaptability. The remarkable ability of certain fungi, such as the oyster mushroom, to break down pollutants, including petroleum and heavy metals, has significant implications for bioremediation efforts aimed at restoring contaminated environments. Yet, threats loom. Climate change and habitat destruction erode the balance fungi maintain within ecosystems. the extinction of a single fungal species can resonate throughout the web of life. A classic illustration of this precarious balance is the case of the American chestnut tree, commercial logging and a devastating blight, exacerbated by a lack of mycorrhizal partners, led to its near extinction, showing how interconnected these ecosystems truly are. Thus, we must value fungi not merely as subjects of study but as integral partners in ecological stewardship. Fungi remind us of life's fragility and beauty. Their silent labor underscores the profound interconnections we share with living beings. Each spore and mycelial strand is a testament to nature's brilliance. As we explore the natural world, we must recognize the bonds that sustain us. In the depths of the forest, hidden intelligence challenges our understanding. The mycelium network communicates and shares resources across vast distances, nurturing surroundings in an astonishing display of cooperation. This cooperation exemplifies a remarkable form of intelligence, transcending individual existence. Understanding these connections can reshape our approach to conservation and land management. The wood wide web unites fungi, trees, and plants in nutrient exchange. Trees can send nutrients to one another during stress, ensuring resilience. Fungi can alert plants to dangers, demonstrating community understanding. This understanding is essential in an era where climate change poses severe challenges. The resilience afforded by these networks can be the key to forest survival in the face of adversity. Fungi decompose organic matter, recycling nutrients and transforming dead material into life-giving resources. This cycle is a delicate dance, reminding us that nothing truly vanishes but instead becomes part of something greater. Fungi are architects of life, shaping conditions for existence to flourish. Every decay, every fallen tree, becomes a catalyst for new growth, a reminder of nature's cyclical harmony. As we immerse ourselves in this world, we encounter stunning diversity. Luminescent species illuminate the underbrush, connecting us to nature's mysteries. Each fungus species reflects evolutionary processes, adapting and thriving in various environments. The rich tapestry of fungi encompasses forms ranging from the humble decomposer, helping to break down fallen leaves, to the bright, alluring mushrooms beckoning wildlife. Each adaptation tells a story, a chronicle of survival and mutual support intertwined with the fabric of life. Yet, as we disrupt these fragile networks, we risk life's very foundations. Urbanization, pollution, and climate change threaten these delicate ecosystems. The mysteries of fungi urge us to ponder the depth of our connections with the natural world, our role as stewards of this planet. When we contemplate the ocean, we see parallels. 80% remains unexplored, hidden beneath darkness and pressure. What wonders await in these depths? Creatures pulsing like stars or peculiar ecosystems around hydrothermal vents could rewrite our understanding of life. The mysterious giant squid and the luminous jellyfish are only glimpses of the life forms that thrive in this aquatic abyss. As we probe deeper into the ocean's mysteries, we discover that ecosystems, much like those found in underground fungal networks, rely on intricacies of cooperation and communication. Hydrothermal vents, where mineral-rich water gushes from the Earth's crust, host lush ecosystems teeming with life formed through symbiotic relationships, much like those found in our forests. Each dive could reveal untold stories of resilience that parallel